Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for August 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung info kung gusto niyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Virgo, what's up with you ngayong August 2024? August 2024, Virgo. Community, ayan. So, I think mas lalabas ka ngayong August, meeting new people, more friends, being part of a group. Yung tipong, pwedeng meron kang gala na kasama mo ang medyo maraming tao. Di ba merong mga ganun na, ay parang nagpooling siya, no, na makikisali ka sa isang travel na activities na para mas makatipid, ganon. Or pwede namang, just being with your friends, being part of the community, a leg up. So, I think, if you need some help ngayong August, kahit saan pa yan, someone is willing to help you, take care of you, sasabihin sa'yo, Virgo, I got you. I got you, Virgo. And you have poised. This is confidence, no? So, ngayong August, you will have more confidence to meet new people. Talagang parang there's freedom energy sa inyo ngayong August. Maaring you will also reinvent yourself, no? Yung iyong styling, the way you carry yourself, bagong pananamit. Kasi 'di ba, yung iba merong certain style na ito yung gusto nilang i-project sa iba na presentable. So ngayon mas magiging kayo yung conscious about how you look and how you present with others. Meron ding star factor sa inyo. Pwede kayong magiging very famous. Or you are starting to gain attention. Your overall energy, King of Cups, very compassionate. Someone who really express yung feelings niya. So, this is energy ng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like if you are in a relationship right now, pwedeng merong itong person mo ay mas magiging expressive sa'yo, sa nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Your challenge is the Page of Pentacles. Kung ikaw ay nag-aaral, no, may pinag-aaralan ka, pwedeng challenge yan sa'yo ngayon. Lalo na kung busy ka, maraming kang kailangang gawin. Mahirap mag-manage ng time, energy, effort, diba? Maaring yung iba rin na sa inyo, meron kayong pinag-aaralan na medyo nahihirapan kayo na intindihin, lalo na kung ito ay isang very complicated concept. But, no, mga Virgos kasi ruled by Mercury yan eh. So talagang Mercury is the planet of communication, learning, understanding. So kayang-kaya nyo yan. Kailangan lang focus your opportunity. The Knight of Swords. You have the opportunity to be more parang communicative, or parang you have the opportunity to talk to someone na pwedeng iniiwasan yung kausapin. Ewan ko kung sino to. Sino ba to? This can be anyone, like boss mo, iniiwasan mong kausapin kasi natatakot ka sa kanya, or parang hindi ka komportable. But I think you have the opportunity to talk to this person. Pwede namang romantic partner mo na meron kang mga gustong sabihin sa kanya na hindi mo masabi dahil baka ma-offend siya or maging reason ng away ninyo. So, I think mas maglalakas ka na ng loob. Your blessing is the Seven of Pentacles. Patience, no? That is your blessing. Kasi the more patient you are, the more blessings that will come to you. Kasi kumbaga, hinihintay mo yung resulta ng efforts mo. Hindi ka naiinip. So, walang wasted na hindi masasaya. Kasi yung iba naiinip. Gusto agad ng resulta, tapos hindi na tinutuloy. So, sayang effort mo, diba? So, for you, this is also coming, things are coming into fruition. Yung mga in-effortan mo, trinabaho mo, may kita mo na yung resulta niyan. King of Cups. You have the 9 of Swords. Oh. So, I think, maraming maaring gumulo sa isip mo ngayong August, no, Virgo. Lalo na if it's about your romantic connections or yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Pwede kasing ito yung tipong sila yung hihingi ng tulong sa'yo. So, syempre, pag gano'n, no, pag may problema yung mahal natin sa buhay, affected rin tayo. And I also see na if it's the reverse, no, ito yung kabaliktaran, kung sila merong magre-reach out sa'yo na humingi ng tulong, yan, pwedeng tutulungan mo. Or ikaw, tutulungan ka pag ikaw naman yung nangangailangan. What is the Page of Pentacles? The Mother of Wands. Yes. So, meron kang mga bagay na pwedeng hindi mo siya magawa. Kasi na-overwhelm ka sa kailangan mong asikasuhin. So, that's your challenge. Delegation, kailangan na a-assign mo yung mga dapat mong gawin for the whole month. Like, isusulat mo what you need to do, what you need to accomplish. Tapos, i-monitor mo kung alin na dun yung natapos na, okay na, i-cross out mo na para hindi na siya makagulo sa listahan. You get what I mean? What is the Knight of Swords? You have the Mother of Pentacles. So, as an opportunity, yung iba sa inyo kung gusto nyo ng mag-increase yung inyong sweldo, no? Pwedeng maglalakas loob na kayo na kausapin ng inyong boss. Na, boss, it's time na i-promote mo ako. May mga ganun ba? Oo, may mga ganun. Na, parang, lalo na kung alam nila, dine-deserve nila yun. Why not? You deserve it. And then you have the 10 of Wands. I think, no, as a blessing, itong 10 of Wands kasi is marami kang obligasyon, responsibilities. Pero blessing siya. So, ibig sabihin, kaya mo siyang i-handle. No matter what. Regardless of the situation. Mahirap siya, pero at least na ma-manage mo. Money, career, finances. You have the Queen of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. Oh, may magbabago ang kapalaran pagdating sa career, finances, business. Mas lalo ka ngayong nagiging determinado, no? Na may magbago sa situation mo. Like, for example, gusto mo talaga na ma-promote. Yun nga, kakausapin mo yung boss mo. Tapos, ang sistema kasi dyan, ang style dyan is, tanungin mo yung boss mo, boss, what should I do? Ano yung kailangan kong gawin para ma-promote ako? Tapos, sasabihin niya, no? Pag nagawa mo yun, balikan mo yung boss mo. Okay, boss, I am ready for promotion. Diba? Kasi nagawa mo na yung sinasabi niya eh. So, yung iba sa inyo, change of direction din to. Pwedeng may pagbabago ng direction sa inyong landas na tatahakin sa business, career, or sa work ninyo. Your love life. Okay, 9 of Swords, the Page of Swords. Naku. Virgo, ang love life pwedeng maging stressful. Okay? Kaya nga, medyo maging maingat sa inyong mga bibitawang salita kasi baka doon magsimula yan. Misunderstanding, miscommunication. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong i-stock na tao sa internet. Tapos habang ini-stock nyo, lalo kayong nasa-stress. Oo, iwasan nyo na yun para huwag na kayo ma-stress. Uy, may celebration, ceremony. Pwedeng sa family yan, meron kayong certain achievements sa family or may major events. Merong journey. Mm. See, may bago kayong path na iti-take. May bagong destination. Oy, this is the best part of your reading. There's abundance. 'Di ba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na blessing nyo, na waiting for fruition. So, ngayong August, baka isipin nyo na, tagal naman itong hinihintay ko na to, effort na ako dito. So, ito na. Kumbaga, ngayong August, darating pa rin siya. Transition yan eh. Oo. Na trinabaho mo, pero within August, makikita mo yung resulta and it's going to be abundant. You will enjoy the fruits of your labor. Mm-mm. Divine service, how can you serve yourself better? Ayan. So, maaring i-reassess nyo rin yung mga bagay na pwede nyong gawin to improve yourself. So, that makes sense, no? Itong poised, like what I mentioned kanina, meron ka mga aayusin sa sarili mo, pwedeng practicing self-love, self-care to improve yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.